The Alabama Council for Behavioral Health says it's counted more than 1,000 job vacancies in the mental health field this year. The lack of staff has led to reduced access to mental health care in some areas and burnout amid current staff. Good evening. Now, experts are attributing the shortage to mental health care workers not making enough money.
And now the Alabama Department of Mental Health is at least asking the state to add $41 million more to its budget in order to boost salaries. Tonight, ABC 3340's Kyra Purvis is working for you to better understand the struggles this state's mental health providers are having.
You're trying to deal with so many people who are so severely mentally ill, but then also trying to do 3 jobs at once. It's just not manageable.
Central Alabama Wellness has consistently seen up to 30 job vacancies within their clinic since the start of the pandemic. The problem, now leaving some programs vulnerable.
We still are, 2 or 3 employees away from not being able to keep open a group home.
Executive Director Lindsay Stevenson says she's seen a number of employees leave the profession for one of 2 reasons.
Most people who are leaving employment with us are leaving to get a better paying job or a less stressful job.
Those who stay are racking up overtime hours that in some cases cannot be paid by the provider. The Alabama Department of Mental Health has helped cover these costs with Federal Medical Assistance Percentage or FMAP funding. But experts say that will not be sustainable in the long run.
We're putting Band-Aids on it right now and trying to be as creative as we can. But, it's a real issue.
Boswell believes a $41 million funding increase is a step in the right direction.
But
Stevenson agrees.
A master's level therapist in public mental health on average makes less than a bachelor's level teacher. It's around $36,000.
And with rising inflation continuing to be a factor, Stevenson tells me she's depending on this budget increase being approved, not just for her staff, but for the patients.
You sit down with a client and they'll say, I've had 5 therapists in the last 2 years. Are you going to stay? I'm hopeful that all of our staff now says, yes, I'm going to stay. But you just can't make guarantees.
In Shelby County, Kyra Purvis, ABC 3340 News.
And of course, it will be up to state lawmakers to approve that budget increase. Their 2023 regular session starts tomorrow at noon at the State House in Montgomery.